Are you unsure which vegetables are actually the best for your health? With so many options, it's easy to stick to the same routine and miss out on the real nutritional powerhouses. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost immunity, support heart health, and improve digestion. But not all are created equal. Some stand out as true superfoods that you should be eating every day. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 healthiest vegetables you need to start eating now. These aren't just any vegetables, they're loaded with incredible benefits that can transform your health from the inside out. Stick around until the end, because number 1 might just surprise you. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 6, we have okra, a highly underrated vegetable packed with powerful health benefits. Often referred to as lady's finger, okra is rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, and essential minerals like magnesium and folate. One of its standout benefits is its ability to support digestion and gut health. Thanks to its high fiber and natural mucilage, which helps soothe the digestive tract and promote regular bowel movements. Okra is also great for heart health, as it contains compounds that help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in okra may reduce inflammation and support overall cardiovascular function. Plus, it's an excellent vegetable for weight management, as it's low in calories yet highly nutritious. Whether you enjoy it grilled, stir-fried, or added to soups and stews, okra is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. If you're looking for a vegetable that supports digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control, okra is one you need to start eating now. Coming in at number 5, we have kale, one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens on the planet. This dark leafy vegetable is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with powerful antioxidants that help combat inflammation and oxidative stress. It's also an excellent source of fiber, which supports digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. One of kale's standout benefits is its ability to support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Studies show that compounds in kale help reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. Plus, its high vitamin K content is essential for bone health, helping to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Incorporating kale into your diet is easy and delicious. Blend it into smoothies, sauté it with garlic, or bake it into crispy kale chips for a nutritious snack. However you enjoy it, adding more kale to your meals is a simple yet powerful way to boost your overall health. Next up at number 4 is broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable you don't want to overlook. This cruciferous powerhouse is loaded with fiber, vitamin C, and unique plant compounds that offer incredible health benefits. One of its most impressive advantages is its cancer-fighting properties. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps detoxify harmful substances in the body and may even slow tumor growth. Broccoli is also fantastic for digestion, thanks to its high fiber content, which supports gut health and prevents constipation. And if you want to boost your immune system, the vitamin C in broccoli strengthens your body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off infections. To maximize its nutritional benefits, try steaming broccoli lightly instead of boiling it, as this helps preserve its valuable nutrients. Whether added to stir-fries, blended into soups, or roasted with a touch of olive oil, broccoli is an easy and delicious way to support your well-being. Next up at number 3 is sweet potatoes, a delicious and nutrient-packed vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. Unlike regular white potatoes, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for eye health, immune function, and glowing skin. They're also a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you energized throughout the day. Their natural sweetness makes them incredibly versatile. You can roast them, mash them, or even blend them into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. But what truly sets sweet potatoes apart is their high antioxidant content. which helps reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. If you're looking for a nutrient-dense carbohydrate that fuels your body with lasting energy, sweet potatoes are a must-have in your diet. Taking the second spot is spinach, one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense greens you can eat. Packed with iron, folate, and magnesium, spinach plays a crucial role in energy production and overall health. If you often feel fatigued, adding more spinach to your diet could be a natural way to boost your energy levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is a powerhouse for brain function and heart health. It contains nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and improve circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Plus, it's rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light and aging. And the best part? Spinach is incredibly easy to add to your meals. Toss it into omelets, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for fresh salads. Making spinach a regular part of your diet can have a profound impact on your health, making it an absolute must-have. And finally, at number 1, we have garlic, a small but mighty vegetable with some of the most impressive health benefits out there. Garlic is famous for its immune-boosting properties, thanks to its active compound, allicin, which has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. But its benefits go far beyond just fighting colds and infections. Garlic is a natural way to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support heart health. Studies show that regular garlic consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease by helping relax blood vessels and improve circulation. But that's not all. Garlic is also a powerhouse for gut health. It promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while keeping harmful pathogens in check, supporting digestion and overall well-being. And if you're looking for a way to enhance your meals, garlic's bold, savory flavor makes it an easy addition to almost any dish. To maximize its health benefits, try eating garlic raw or lightly cooked. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or even mix it with honey for an immune-boosting natural remedy. With so many incredible benefits packed into one small vegetable, it's no surprise that garlic takes the top spot on our list. There you have it, the top 6 healthiest vegetables you need to start eating now. From okra, kale, and broccoli to sweet potatoes, spinach, and garlic, these nutritional powerhouses can transform your health in countless ways. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or protect your heart, adding these veggies to your diet is a simple yet powerful step toward better well-being. Which of these vegetables is already part of your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more science-backed health tips. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family, you might just inspire them to start eating healthier too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.